In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in HubSpot. If you want your marketing to feel organized and measurable, campaigns in HubSpot bring everything together so you can plan, execute, and see results in one place. Let's walk through it from start to finish, keeping things simple and clear. First, sign into your HubSpot account and head to the main navigation. Open the marketing menu and select Campaigns. This is your home base for building and organizing campaign assets. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the right workspace and that you have the proper permissions for marketing tools. Once you're on the Campaigns page, click Create Campaign. In some accounts, you might see Start a Campaign instead. Both take you to the same setup workflow, so choose the button you're shown. You'll be asked whether you want to start from scratch or use a template. Starting from scratch gives you full flexibility, perfect when you know exactly what you want to include. Templates are helpful if you prefer a guided structure with common components already suggested. Either option works. Pick the one that suits your planning style. Next, give your campaign a clear, descriptive name and select a start and end date. A consistent naming convention, like including the month, channel, and goal, makes it easier to find and report on later. The dates you choose help HubSpot report on performance within that time frame, and you can always adjust them if your schedule shifts. If you're collaborating, add the team members who will work on the campaign. Assigning people here can make ownership and follow-up clearer, especially when multiple channels are involved. Now add your assets and marketing activities. This can include emails, forms, landing pages, ads, and more. You can associate existing items or create new ones and link them to the campaign so their performance rolls up into a single dashboard. Keep your asset names consistent and double-check that each piece is associated with the right campaign to ensure accurate tracking. Before finishing, review your campaign details, confirm the name, dates, and assets look correct, and that the right people are included. When everything is set, click Create. Your campaign framework is now ready, and as your assets go live, HubSpot will start collecting engagement data so you can monitor progress and make adjustments as needed. And that's how you create campaigns in HubSpot. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.